Hello everyone, welcome to the Financial Information channel. In this video I'm going to be discussing the difference between day trading, swing trading and long-term investor. So let's start with the video. Please leave in the comment section below what type of investor you are in the stock market. Are you a day trader, swing trader, or do you invest for the long term? That would be nice to know. As far as me, I do have a retirement account where I actually do have the long-term investments in a Roth IRA and a 401k. So that's where I usually have the index funds located on my account. But I also like to choose individual stocks so I can do some swing trades and get some profits, which is always nice. Another thing where I like to do some swing trades, because when you are doing investment for the long term, you only buy shares and then you follow the news, which to me is nice, but it's not very, I would say, appealing, for the long term. So to spice it up a little bit, I actually like to follow some of the companies, get some shares, buy it at a, I don't say low price, because you never have the perfect price to buy. But I tend to have an idea what is the regular price that most people would pay for that specific company. Now I made a mistake last year because I ended up buying shares of Nvidia, and Nvidia company went up a huge amount, but I sold them in January of this year because I thought the company was not going to grow as much. And look at now, the Nvidia company has gone up way a lot than I imagined. And that is one of the excitements when you are not doing a long-term investment, because as a long-term investor, you know the companies are going to go up regardless of the huge drop that the stock market is having at this moment. You know that, for example, Apple is going to go back to whatever price it was before. And day trading is actually fun as well, but you gotta keep in mind that you gotta read a lot of the charts to see what are the indicators, how it's gonna move, and when is the time to exit and buy. It's a lot of stuff that you need to pay attention. But the good thing about the day trading is you don't have to worry about, if the stock market is gonna recover, because at the end of the day, you only sell and buy the shares during that specific day. You don't have to worry about the next day or the next week or the next year. And swing trader, like I said before, is when you get into a company, buy shares, and then you tend to see if the price is gonna move up, and then you sell them, to make a quick profit. It can take a week, 2 weeks, a month, 2 months. It depends on your patience. You gotta be very patient and make sure that you have read the charts correctly. Now let me know in the comment sections, like I said earlier, what type of investments do you do in your account? That would be nice to know. And another thing, since the NBA finals ended, I'm gonna put here the screenshot of the channel giveaway that I did about 8 days ago, I believe. I'm gonna do another giveaway, so stay tuned, because that giveaway is gonna be probably this weekend. I'll let you guys know the details. And as always, subscribe to the Financial Information channel. Please leave in the comment sections if you have any suggestions what videos to do. I'm gonna have a couple of stock reviews coming up in the next 2 weeks. One of them is applied materials and the other one is universal displays. However, if you want me to do another review about any other company, please let me know in the comment sections and I'm gonna start doing some research. And as usual, please thanks for watching the video and have an excellent day and take care, my friends.